Hello, this is Bear from Elliott Wave, and today is April 14th. It's Monday, and we're going to take a look at the DAX using Elliott Wave Theory as usual. So before I get started, once again, just like yesterday, my throat is killing me. So the tone I'm going to keep in today is going to be this one. But still, let's get started as usual. If you enjoyed the video, enjoy the content, it really helps if you guys leave a like and subscribe if you want to stay updated. I usually don't talk like this. I'm a bit more entertaining and exciting, but it is what it is. So what are we going to do today? So I wanted to show you two main counts. I think you could argue three. One, I think it's highly unlikely, and that would be the fact that we have topped in wave 5 here of 3. Okay, let me zoom in. So we topped here in wave 3. Why do I say so? Well, if we take a look at ratios, we're not even at equality. Okay, sorry. So equality of cycle 3 against 1 stands at 32,000. So we didn't even reach that. And despite the fact that you may think, well, this was such a large move, how are we even going to get to equality 1.618, which is at 330,000? How is that possible? Well, people, it happened before, it can happen again. So as usual, don't be surprised what time and inflation can do to the markets. Okay. Sorry, you'll hear that a lot throughout the video. So yeah, just because my throat is very irritated, so I'm producing a lot of saliva, and then makes me want to throw up because I'm just producing too much. But it's not a pleasant feeling, but good thing is it'll go away. So just cheer for my immune system to do its job. So the alternative, which is for the time being perhaps one of my preferred accounts, and we're going to investigate it into the intraday, is this. Okay, a wave 1 and 2 of 5 or 3. Okay, 1 and 2 up in 3. 3 is 2.618 times the length of wave 1, as you can see here. So we have a nice ratio. Okay. What have I done? We touch wave 1 support on the middle line of a trend channel, which is okay. It could signify a strong uptrend. And now we're looking for further upside. So we're gonna explore this in just a second. I'll show you the other long-term alternative account, which is a bit more conservative. Okay. So this account suggests that we have had a wave 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so ratio three times. Okay, we topped in wave 3, and now we're gonna be pulling back into here into wave 4. Okay, now before I do, okay, so and that this wave 4 could easily take us all the way back there. So let's do this. Let's draw the channel. Okay, we could easily get all the way down here to the area of the previous 4, which is obviously, as you may know already, a very common Elliott wave tendency. Okay, wave 4 will end near the wave 4 on 1 less degree. Wave 4 will end near the wave 4 on 1 less degree. Okay, perfect. What do I like about this kind? Well, we have alternation. Okay, sideways 2, sharp 4. In terms of ratios, yes, this is larger, but it kind of makes sense, right? They're pretty large swings, all considered. And here we don't have invalidation, as wave 5 is shorter than 3. Okay, so wave 3 is not the shortest, as I can show you. If we do 5v3, as you can see, wave 5 is basically 0.8% sorry, 0.8, so 8% the length of wave 3, meaning that wave 3 is not the shortest. That's what we care about. We that remember many new people that approach Elliott Wave Theory get mistaken, also because there's many gurus out there that don't know Elliott Wave, but they try to teach Elliott Wave. I'm not saying I'm a master, I just know a thing or two. Wave 3 does not have to be the longest, it just cannot be the shortest, okay? So this is another interesting count. In terms of, we'll briefly touch on the short-term implication of this count. Basically just further continuation lower. The moment we even just now make a new high, I doubt this is going to be the correct count, okay, because of many things. So we will need to just maybe move sideways and then continue lower. Otherwise, this count gets compromised, and the other count gets much more likely to happen. Here, the subdivision, we'll touch this in subdivision in the other count, okay? Perfect. So here, as promised, let's work on the, let's go on the 4 hour for this, let's say, primary count. Obviously, it was all labeled in Dream View. Now that I'm transitioning, I'm slowly adjusting and can you say transporting my counts? I guess you can, because I just said it. So remember, guys, A1, oopsie, because if I'm able to center it, then it will automatically label as intermediate. There you go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, can you do it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. I have to do it manually. One, 2. Up in 3, sideways 4, up in 5. Nasty wave 4. I don't think it's gonna decompose it. Exactly. ABC, nasty. I know. This can be counted. We talked about this for so long, but the fact it's so hard to count, it usually means it could be a wave 5, okay? Okay, perfect, sweet. There you go. So is wave 2 in place? I have no clue. What we can say is we see, oh god, my throat. We see a 5 wave move, that's for sure. Okay, down in A, up in, sorry, a 3 wave move I meant to say. Up in B, down in C, okay? Now, what can we say about this count? Well, so 3 waves a trend don't make, and until proven wrong, I see 3. Down, up, down. I cannot count this as 5. Now, we could turn out to do some sort of a leading diagonal, I don't know. Something weird could happen, but as of right now, I see 3 ways a trend don't make, okay? So, it doesn't mean we have a bottom in place. And, what I'll say is, if I'm looking for this count, okay, then I kind of want wave 2 to be in place. Not because I need to make money. I'm super invested. I am invested, but long term. But because of the proportions of the degree themselves. Okay, if this is intermediate 2 and this is a primary 4, I don't want this to get much deeper, right? That's what she said. God, I mean, at this point, no one is watching anyways, so I can say whatever I want. So I just want this not to be so large. And as a matter of fact, if we measure the length of wave 4, okay, We're probably at 0.618 to be honest. Okay. I think like 0.618 is around here. Let's see. Oh, look at this. Look at this and tell me you don't believe in ratios, okay? This is poetry on a pixeled screen. Pixelated, I don't know what it's called. Okay, so I think without even knowing it, I proved my point. Ratios are important. I don't want this to go much deeper because it would kind of ruin my ratios. But it's possible, okay? It's possible we do this. I'm not saying it won't happen because I don't know the future. I just say I wouldn't want nothing more crazy than this, okay? Perfect. So, that being said, we can even go on the hourly. Obviously, all of this is... Why is this happening? I hate it. Okay, so in the hourly, let's take a look. So, without putting too many, let's just do it already. Otherwise, people think I don't know Elliott Wave. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Oopsie, wrong degree, people. Sorry. Now, here's the problem there. I need to go to the 15 minutes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Open, close. Okay, so up in 1, down in 2, up in 3, down in 4, up in 5. Thoughts, opinions? I guess it's possible, people. Let's see what do they have. Oh, by the way, let me take a look at the futures, because I haven't even looked at the futures. We might be down 5%. I wouldn't even know it. So all this goes to the toilet. No, we're up 1.7%. That's okay. So yes, it looks like this could work because we're up 1.7. Okay, good. Otherwise, that would have been a very bad. Yeah, wouldn't have looked good on me. Would have. All right, people. So I think I'm gonna leave it here. This could be actually minute. Okay. So up from minor 1 to get to wave B, then a pullback, so on and so forth. What else can I say? Not much. If you have questions, you guys let me know. Hope you enjoyed the content. Once again, if you enjoyed it, it really helps. It really helps if you guys leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow if my throat permits. Have a great Monday, everyone.